In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your PS5 controller constantly disconnecting on your PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you're playing with your PS5 controller on your PC, it's constantly disconnecting. That could be really annoying. So you might be using Bluetooth, and basically the reason that this could happen is because your Bluetooth card might not be powerful enough to receive signal because your controller might be really far away from the Bluetooth card that's inside your PC or laptop. So this is what I would definitely recommend for everyone. It might not be super ideal, but you can get a longer wire, is basically connect your controller with a wire directly into your laptop or PC. So it's USB-C, and then use another one where it's like USB-C to USB-C, plug that into your PC, and I guarantee you your input delay is going to be a lot less. You're going to have a lot less problems. It's just the optimal way to play any game. Using it wirelessly, you're going to always have input delay and less responsiveness, but whenever you're playing wired, it's always going to be much better. So you could go ahead and do that. And if your controller isn't being detected, what you could do is go over to your browser of choice, and then what you want to do once you're on your browser is type in DS4 Windows. It's a completely free application which will recognize your controller, whether it's a PS4 or PS5 controller, on any game you play. If you need any help with this, let us know down in the comments below and we'll make sure to reply. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.